Hey Kate, it's Nika here, and I just wanted to record a short video to show you what you need to do in your paid course admin inside Thinkific, okay? So I wanted to quickly show you what I've done with the sales page, okay? So this is the course sales page for the Ultimate Energy Formula. Now I had to remove your logo that you created, your banner, because it's too big to start with. And I read also that it's not good for SEO when you actually overlay the text directly onto images. Okay, so this text is powered from within the editor, which is going to help you with search engines. But what I would like ideally is for you to put that round little circle that you had on the other banner inside a new banner in Canva with this background. But I'm not sure about the actual size, like the size that you've used is according to Thinkific the right size, but it comes up way too big and it takes up more than the entire screen. And obviously, if you use different resolutions, like you're using a mobile phone or an iPad and a mini iPad, it will mess up the whole look and feel. So maybe we should just stick with having the title here, nothing else, and then it'll look good on all devices. So inside of your course thing, I want you to click on My Courses. And then when it loads, you go to the Ultimate Energy, the Energy Formula course. I've renamed that so it's the right name. You click on Edit. And this is the page builder that you're seeing now, okay? I don't want you to do anything on the page builder at the moment because I can change anything if I need to. What you obviously need to build up is the curriculum. So as you build your content and you add your chapters and everything, you name them with the new names that I've created. I've already edited these two, week 1 and week 2. So you just go to the paid course sales page inside the shared folder and you scroll down to the actual week's names, and then you just use these as the title headings, and then you build it out with your content that you're building within. Okay, you already know how to do that, so I'll let you deal with that. What you then need to do in addition is you need to go to the pricing page and see how it says free because you haven't connected PayPal. So you need to do that because obviously you need to log into your own PayPal account on your computer and make sure you connect the two applications. So you just click connect payment method, and then it will allow you to just get rid of that, allow you to put your PayPal email in there, and then you click save, and then hopefully it will be connected. Okay, so I'll let you do that. Going back here, the next thing you need to do is, because this is a course that is released as a drip feeded content, so people log in and you want to launch it on November 1st. So I've set the timer to stop at November 1st, to count down at November 1st, which is down here. There it is. Okay, so it counts down to November 1st at 9 a.m. Now the time is probably the time that's in the system, so I need to look at whether that's timed to your Adelaide time or whether it's timed to America. But you need to create a drip schedule. Okay, so you want to then, when this course is released, so you want to choose that, and that will clear your course's schedule. Okay, so that might clear the actual curriculum here, which is not a big deal because I've already said what they get further up in the copy, so they see all of these things here anyway. So you need to schedule that, and then you need to select a number of days after enrollment when they get the introduction. So I would select 0, leave that at 0. Your personal energy tracker download, I would also leave that at 0 so they can immediately access that. The same with your roadmap. And then obviously the Fit to Eat week is the first week they get, so I would leave that at 0 and then do the next week, week 2. Well, once it has content, you would put a 1 there, so it delays it by 1 week. Okay, or 7 actually, 7 days after enrollment. Then week 3 will be 14 days after enrollment, week 4 will be 21 days after enrollment, and week 5 will be 28 days, and week six will be 28, 35 days, okay? Because they always get access to the course at the beginning of each new week. So you need to set that up in here and then save changes. Then the next thing you want to do is, oh yeah, you've already done that. Then you can publish the course. Because nobody else knows that you have a Thinkific account, it doesn't really matter if you publish that, as long as you're not promoting your Thinkific link, okay? So publish it so we can see how it looks like for real. And then if you want to go and look at the actual, the preview, the course, you can click from it on any tab you are using here on this little pull down and click landing page. If you want to see what students see, you can just click forward like that, and then you see how the students see the course, okay? So this is your lessons in here that they go through, blah, 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 blah. So the landing page is this one here, obviously, that's the sales page. We need to flesh out a couple of things. So when I hear from you, I will fill out a section here with the stress study. So I want you to find a study, an official study, by using Google to do a Google search for studies around how stress affects productivity. And then when you found something that I can utilize for stats here, so has shown that most entrepreneurs lose, 10 hours or 2 hours a day by being stressed out, like something like that relates to how much time they're losing or how much time or energy it is costing them. Any study like that is great. I only need one, okay? So once you have that, you send me an email with the link to the study directly, and I go and pick out the information that I need, and then I flesh out this content here. The other thing I need from you is, I don't suppose you have pictures of these clients. That would be great, but if you don't, then we just leave them like that. Then what I need, this will obviously get built out as you add your lessons. At the moment, this sign up button doesn't work because it's still considered a free course. So once you connect it with PayPal and you create your PayPal button and you set it all up, that would then show. And the frequently asked questions down here. Obviously, once you're 100% sure you want to start on 1st of November, I'll put that in here, and I will also adjust the timer on the sales page to that date, okay? The other thing that I've seen, there was something else in the actual sales page. Let's see here. Something else highlighted that I need you to give me feedback on. So just give me a second. Yeah, so what does an hour of time with you cost? So if people book an individual hour with you as a naturopath, how much do they pay you? So let me know that. Just fill it out in here, or highlight that, write it in a comment, and then tag me, monicamandel@gmail.com, and assign that to me so I get a notification and I can go and update that on the actual sales page. What else am I missing here? That's the only thing. Oh yeah, I haven't put the money back guarantee in there now. So that's another section I will build out inside this sales page somewhere. Maybe I'll probably put it here above the frequently asked questions or above this payment button. Yeah, I'll put it here in between these and these. So I'll do that. And then once you've connected all the dripping, you connected the pricing with PayPal, you published it, then we can look at it and just tweak a little bit. But in that case, your course is basically ready on the front end, and you just need to build out the back end with your curriculum. The other thing I want to mention is that please, please, please do not change your themes. When you click on themes here, you will see that the altitude theme is installed, and it's actually the theme that is powering your course now. If you change that, you will lose everything that I've built up. You will lose all the text and everything. I made that mistake yesterday, and I lost about 2 hours of my time after I had built it out and made it look great, and then I decided to choose to change the theme and play around with it, and I lost everything. So don't actually touch these. Don't touch the branding. Don't touch any of that. You don't need to worry about pages. You just need to worry about building out your course, lessons, and connecting PayPal, and then choosing a price. And it might prompt you to create a PayPal button with that $597 price. And then once that's done, then I can look into it and make sure everything's working. And then you have your sales page ready. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, just buzz me, send me an email, and I'll shoot